Follow these steps to unlock iPhone without Face ID or passcode. Let's get started. First, use iTunes or Finder. If you have synced your iPhone with iTunes or Finder before, you can restore your device and remove the passcode. Connect your iPhone to a computer using a USB cable. Open iTunes or Finder. If your iPhone appears in iTunes or Finder, click on it. Put iPhone into recovery mode. Press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, iTunes or Finder will show a pop-up. Click Restore. This will erase all data and remove the passcode. After restoring, set up your iPhone as new or restore from a backup. Method 2. Unlock iPhone using iCloud. If Find My iPhone is enabled, you can erase your iPhone remotely via iCloud to remove the passcode. Go to iCloud.com on your computer or another device. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Click Find My iPhone. Select your locked iPhone. Click Erase iPhone to remove the passcode. After erasing, set up your iPhone as new or restore from a backup. This method requires that Find My iPhone is enabled and that your iPhone is connected to the internet. If you can't use iTunes or iCloud, third-party tools can unlock your iPhone without Face ID or a passcode. Tenorshare 4Key, iMyPhone Lock Wiper, Talk the Phone Unlock. So these are the apps. Following these steps, you can unlock iPhone without Face ID or passcode. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.